powering smarter campuses with digital electricity. Today's modern campuses require seamless power solutions to connect and protect visitors and staff. Remote power solutions help create safe and versatile spaces without extending traditional grid infrastructures. VoltServer's Vault-Managed Power Systems supports fast deployment on campuses across North America. Our patented digital electricity solutions enable power and fiber deployment in a single pathway to streamline operations and improve connectivity, even in difficult installation environments. Remote Power provides a simplified solution for a broad range of essential campus technologies, including safety and security systems. Gain the peace of mind that SOS stations, emergency phones, surveillance cameras, and motion detectors are always functioning across campus. Lighting systems. Illuminate outdoor areas to quickly and easily extend reliable lighting to parking lots, walkways, transit stops, and gathering spaces to improve visibility. Campus information systems. Give everyone on campus the latest information by connecting kiosks, digital displays, signage, and interactive wayfinding systems to remote power. Wi-Fi and cellular 4G, 5G connectivity. Support online access across campus for students, visitors, patients, and staff by providing reliable Wi-Fi coverage anywhere they go. DAS systems. Remote Power can help distributed antenna systems carry cellular and Wi-Fi signals across sprawling campuses to eliminate dead zones and ensure reliable connectivity for emergency response. Learn how VoltServer can provide smarter power to your campus. Talk to us today.